Rashtriya Janata Dal President Lalu Prasad Yadav was on Saturday granted bail by the Jharkhand High Court in a case linked to the fodder scam. The party, in a statement on Twitter, confirmed the news. The former Bihar Chief Minister, who was convicted in 4 cases related to the fodder scam, has already secured bail in the other 3 cases and is likely to walk out of prison. India's COVID caseload rose to 1.45 crores with 234,692 fresh infections, the sharpest ever daily spike, as the country recorded over 2 lakh cases for the 3rd straight day. With 1,341 deaths, India saw the deadliest day of the pandemic this year. Meanwhile, Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan held a meeting with health ministers of 11 states on the COVID crisis. India has recorded 10 lakh new cases in 6 days. As many as 95% of Mumbaikars are adhering to coronavirus norms, while the remaining 5% who are not following the curbs are causing problems to others, City Civic Body Mayor Kishori Pednekar said today. Speaking to ANI, the BMC mayor said, "I think a complete lockdown should be imposed looking at the current COVID-19 situation." As many as 63,729 new COVID-19 cases and 398 deaths were reported in Maharashtra in a span of 24 hours, taking the total active cases in the state to 6,38,034. A Delhi court has granted bail to Punjabi actor Deep Sidhu, who was arrested in connection with the violence at Red Fort on Republic Day during farmers' protest over the farm laws, observing that the prosecution seeks to make an example of him. Special Judge Nilofer Abida Parveens, while granting bail to Sidhu, observed that the prosecution seeks to make an example out of the case of the accused applicant, he being a popular public figure. Such an endeavour, however, hazards a failure of justice as a result of compromised objectivity. Bengal is voting for 45 of 294 seats today in the 5th and biggest of its 8 poll phases, which are being held amid a surge in COVID-19 cases. On Friday evening, the Election Commission ordered a 72-hour silence period instead of the usual 48 hours ahead of the remaining rounds of voting. Trinamool Congress leader Derek O'Brien meanwhile said his party wants the remaining phases to be conducted in a single phase due to the soaring cases of coronavirus. He also requested the opposition BJP to make its stance clear on the issue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi this morning appealed that the mega Kumbh Mela should now only be symbolic amid the coronavirus crisis, stressing that it will give a boost to the fight against the pandemic. Huge gatherings of tens of thousands of pilgrims along the banks of the Ganga in the last few days have sparked nationwide concern as India, hit by the second COVID wave, sees an alarming surge in infections.